Hi, my name is Oliver. Today I'm going to show you how to make a veggie lentil orzo soup. For this recipe, you're going to need carrot, celery, onion, garlic, red lentils, orzos, some spices, some stock, and some oil. We're going to start by making a mirepoix, which is a culinary term for chopping onions, celery, and carrots. The mirepoix will later be added to a pan with oil. Make sure your vegetables are chopped in bite-sized pieces and put them in a bowl. To keep your fingers safe while chopping, make your hand into a claw. Here's a pro tip. Use a pair of goggles so that your eyes don't sting while you're cutting onions. Now it's time to finely dice your garlic. You can use a garlic press or a grater if you don't want to use a knife. Now over medium heat, we'll add our oil, and our diced vegetables. Next, you're going to add your cube of stock and spices to 5 cups of hot water. Make sure you stir the stock well so all the spices dissolve in the water. Next, we're going to add our stock here to our vegetables. Now it's time to add our orzo noodles and our red lentils. Boil for 8 minutes and then simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to give yourself a generous portion. Yum, it's delicious.